All right, what we have here is a Colt 1911. Judging by the serial number, this was built in 1913, which is a second-year production gun. As you can see, it's pretty beat up and worn. And what we're going to do is I'm going to explain the restoration process to you. So once we get these guns in, we'll analyze it and give the customer a quote on what it's going to cost them to bring this back to factory original. And that's kind of what we specialize in here, is recreating and restoring history. So we'll start with that 1911, and then our polishing crew will take all the old bluing off, totally strip it of all the pits, bring back your nice clean edges, just like it left the factory. Then it'll go to our bluing station, which is a carbona bluing, which is a traditional finish that the 1911s have. And then here, this is an after shot. This is what the gun will look like after we're done with it, and how it left the factory long ago.